it means. Tell it maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is, no matter how busy.
So you guys, y'all see how nasty this weather is. Why am I outside? Why did we just load up in this car like about to get ready to ride somewhere? Y'all, honestly, like, we don't like being in the house all day. Well, I'm actually okay with being in the house all day. It's Mia really that don't like to be in the house all day, so she always want to go somewhere, and my crazy self tag along and go. So it's a nasty day. So of course y'all, I'm looking rough. Like I told y'all about every vlog, I'm looking rough. But I didn't even bother to like do my hair or put on my hair rather. I just threw on this hat and I got on this hoodie, and we are about to go through somebody drive-through because I actually want some broccoli salad. And then I also am gonna be thinking about what I need to buy from the store because I'm thinking about putting some chicken out on the grill for dinner tonight. So I'm going to do that, but I need to think about what size we're gonna eat with it. So we are about to leave the house, but y'all look at this weather once again. Look, puddles everywhere. It's just nasty. It's just nasty, honestly. So but we getting out in it. So I'm about to do that, and I'll let y'all see whatever it is that I get. Lego, y'all. I sat there, picked up my broccoli salad and ate it, and forgot to even show y'all or bring y'all along on the process. But y'all, it was good. I have not been to the store yet because actually my mom called and she needs to run to the store, so I came back by her house to just scoop her up. Although I didn't really plan on going to no stores today. Oh, let me turn this down if I get copyrighted. Although I didn't really plan on going into any stores today. So since 7 has knocked out for his afternoon nap, Amari's back there watching the iPad. I may just wait in the car and let Amia and Mom go into the store and get the things they need. And if I need anything, I can call them and tell them to pick it up for me. But it just feels good to get out of the house. Here they go calling me. Now Mia went in the house to get her. Watch this. Hello? I might as well come in. Alright, let me get 7 out. He's asleep, so I'm gonna leave him here then. Alright, let me get out. Bye. Man, did y'all hear that? She ain't even ready. Want somebody to come pick her up, and she ain't even ready. Tell me something, y'all might well get out. Sebby sleep. So y'all, let me get out, and I'm about to leave him here with Big Papa, which is my dad, since he knocked out for his nap when we about to disturb his peace. Mari, your mother said let's go in the house. Let's get out. Put your coat on. Tug in the house too. Oh, you like that? Y'all, let me get out of this car. Back to the lopsided setup. But y'all, believe it or not, literally, what time is it? 5:19. I've been in my mama's house for about 2 hours since I last talked to y'all. Like, we literally just now about to get in the car and go to the store. Luckily, we're not taking the kids. My dad's gonna watch the kids along with Mia, so that's good. So we won't have to haul everyone out the car. But y'all know I told y'all I really wasn't planning on going to the store today. Not even dressed for the store. So, oh, I got her phone. Let me let her know that I have her phone.
Y'all got my phone?
I got your phone.
Oh.
That's what I was doing, finna text you.
For me, huh?
You said Mia was staying.
Oh, okay. Well, we could have went in my car then over there.
Well, you want to drive? Let's
But
go.
I ain't got no, all them clothes in the back of my car seat. All them clothes.
Well, I'm driving then. So, that's what we're finna do, y'all. So, I will. Y'all, she didn't know y'all was still out.
No, I didn't.
They can't even see you.
Go ahead, girl.
She over there though, y'all.
No,
Bye. Y'all, so it's 8:30 and I'm just finishing dinner. Let me show y'all what I got. We got those crispy chicken thighs in there baking. Yum. Rice. Green beans. What's up, you guys? So, new year, new look. So as y'all can see, I currently am about to install another wig that I had up under the sink. It's actually a reinstall of a wig that I already had. So the wig has been washed, blow dried. So right now I'm just prepping it to be able to install it on my head. So if y'all want to come on this journey with me, come on. Cause we about to put on a new wig. Well, old wig, but new look. I'm getting a little bit tired of that wavy, beachy, curly hair. So I just kind of want to take it back a little bit and do some little loose curl look. And y'all know I'm a blondie at heart. So I gotta bring a little bit blonde back in my life. So let's get started on this wig. Keep watching. So you guys, this is the wig that I'm gonna be installing again. Y'all remember this hair, don't y'all? But anyways, I just literally set it on my wig head and I'm about to continue to press down the hairline so that I can get the lace exposed so I can put it on my head and curl this bad girl. Show y'all what it look like. Y'all remember this hair? This is like the highlighted blonde wig, black, brown, blonde, just some highlights, you know. So we about to reinstall this girl. Let's get into it.
The city is my palace, jealous. The city is my palace. The city is my palace, jealous. The city is my palace. We won't waste no time. They wanna know about the girl them. About the girl them. About the girl them. But she gon' slide right to my city is my palace. The city is my palace. The city is my palace. We won't waste no time. I want she and
Still sipping on my iced coffee that I made. But first we're gonna straighten out these edges, y'all, because that's the only way I'm gonna get the lace exposed to install. And I'm still debating if I want to curl the wig on my head or just go ahead and curl on the mannequin. What y'all think? I actually think it's gonna be easier for me to curl it on my head just so I can, you know, see really how I want to do it. And my head is different than the mannequin head, so, you know, we're gonna curl it on my head. Alright, so to help kind of do this process a little bit easier, I am putting the wax. So that's gonna be good enough for right now. I'm about to go ahead and make sure my edges are pulled back. Y'all know I don't I take my units off every night, so I don't use any glue. I just use the Got2b. And I'm just gonna take it around. And we're just gonna put it all over. Spray it with the Wonder Bond because I actually let this get a little tacky. Y'all keep forgetting it's not a lace front, so I keep going ear to ear almost. And then I'm also going to use the Got2b because I'm about to do a lot of manipulation with the wig to curl it, and I just don't want it to lift, so put a little bit of that right up in there. And we're gonna let that get tacky. So once this kind of start drying and I kind of feel it drying, that's when I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. And I'm gonna use my little dirty lace band. Y'all need to get another one, but this one was free from the girl that installed my last wig, and it works. So we're gonna do that.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a man, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say and I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie. Sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it. You can get it. You can get it.
To my niece trying to sell me something.
I was wondering if I give you these, can you get me the same exact shoe, but in the size I need, and I give you these?
Oh. Okay. So Kalia tried to sell me her Uggs. They're too big. Well, actually, not really sell me her Uggs. They're too big. It's a trade-off. She want me to buy her size, and then I get the ones that she has that are too big. Do I really need Uggs though? Do I really need?
Yes, you do. Match with everything.
Oh, navy blue match with everything. That's what you're trying to say. Black match with everything.
Navy blue, white, black, and gray.
Let me ponder on the thoughts. What y'all think? Comment below. Should I do this with my niece or not? We're gonna see what the people say, Kalia.
Yeah.
Y'all hear back? That's what say yes.
I'll get my say yes in the comments.
He go. Oh, good, y'all. Kids, I'll let you know. Let me ponder on the thoughts.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap, hey. Shawty come sit on my lap, hey. They saying Drizzy just snap. This is between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap, hey. I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? In the trenches, relax. Can you not put that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, I buy her wig. You telling me Tay is the cat. Pointed at me who act like a killer, but you only one from the net. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you won't get stripped. Bring Drake to the hood, surround Drake, round Drake. Even though and I never been embraced. And the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how it went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bed. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they won't get it. Heart is still beating, my niggas still eat it. That girl, they look like the garden, they eat it. Little talk with him, she spilling the tea. And then Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib gone crazy down bad. What they had didn't last. Down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby.
Baby, won't you meet me by the beat? Early, maybe later, you could show me things.